Guys, I'm going to let you be the host. Just admit if somebody comes in, give me a minute, I'll come and join. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will. I have given you the host permissions. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, I need the writing pad. Give me 1 minute. நீ என்ன சாப்பிட போறீங்க? I'm here, guys. Sorry, I forgot to set up writing pad. Rishit, what are you doing in school?
Um,
Hey, Rishit,
at
sometime I asked your
school,
mom to ping me once. I just want to understand what's going on at your school, okay?
I think I'm doing rationals.
Did, wait, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, okay. If it's okay, guys, I'll take the host. Thank you for admitting, guys. I really appreciate your help. Anisha, what are you discussing in school, ma?
We're finding roots with multiplicities and irrational and complex numbers.
What was the unit? Let's quickly check. Give me a minute. Irrational complex number. Okay, have we done that here? Okay, by the way, I wanted to ask you, did you all finish the test, midterm mandatory test? Anisha, did you finish? Did you finish?
Oh, no. I wasn't able to. It's timed, right? Like 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah. So you didn't have that solid time, huh? Okay, how about Advait and Annam? I heard you were doing, right? Did you do?
Yeah, Anam has a soccer game, so it's just me. I'm almost done. I have like few questions left.
You have a few questions left. Okay, that's what your dad said too. Ishita, were you able to take, ma?
No, I didn't.
Take it, guys. It's good for you to understand where you stand, right? It's good. Question number 71, there is a mistake, okay? Other than that, in the 80 questions, everything is good. The other class is taken, so they reported to me that 71 had a mistake and it is a mistake. I did not rectify it yet. So you'll know where you stand and we can know what are your weak areas and improve upon it. That's the intent of that test, okay? Rishit, you took
I didn't have like the full 1 hour, 20 minutes because school's been having a bunch of assignments now.
okay, I understand. Whenever you have a break, take it, right? Then
Okay.
it's good to know. What are you doing at school, Rishit?
We're doing rational functions, multiplication, division, and
Okay.
then I have another topic, but I'll have to grab my packet from downstairs.
Oh, I would like to know what is that, right, Rishit?
What? You're breaking.
It would be good to know what is that extra one that you're talking about as well. Whenever you have
Okay.
time, do bring
Can I
it.
get my packet real quick?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
please. Okay. Anisha, one more time, you tell me rational functions or what is that you're talking in school?
Irrational and complex numbers, finding roots.
Oh, that okay. That we have covered here. You're able to do it easily in school, can I assume?
Yeah.
Okay. Akshada, welcome back. How was your trip?
It was good. Thanks for asking.
Nice. So, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Nice. Um, Krishiv also went to India, right? But he came back last week, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, Shrikar, what are you doing in school, Shrikar? What
We're
are
doing like long division of polynomials
oh,
and
that's
synthetic division.
long. Okay, so that's okay. That's not even related. Okay, we have done it, is what I would assume. Let me go ahead. Okay, let's review what we did last week, and then I'll move on with multiplication division. So how about this? I want you to try this. I can give you some easy ones as well. How about this? X minus 3 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3 plus x plus 2 by 3 minus x. Can you simplify this quick? It's just addition and subtraction we learned last week, right? So this week let's see multiplication division, but I really want to see where we are on this and then only move forward.
I got my packet.
Yeah, what is that now? What is it on?
Um, application of rational equations.
Oh, applications of okay, okay. Okay. What is it on? Is it word problems?
Yeah, it's word problems.
Okay, so it is all on headwind, tailwind, all that stuff. Pipe,
I don't know what
hours,
that
work
means.
time. Huh?
I don't know what you're talking about, but like, because we started this today, um, I can like type in the chat a problem, an example of the
Oh,
problem.
don't worry. Don't worry about it. I think I know. I
Okay.
think I know. Don't worry about it. Okay. I got it. Thanks. Keep going. So I can fine tune. That's why. See, I have some lesson plan. I take it slow if you have not started it. So that's why I keep asking you. So now I'm good. Go ahead with this question. Go ahead and do this question. We are scaling up fast. I can get to rational function word problems as well for sure. I can cover all the types. Let's see. Would really like to
Miss
cover all
Priya,
the
you're
words.
not the host, so I can't like send you a message.
Oh, okay. You know what? Yeah. I'll change that, please. Give me a minute. Because I had gone somewhere and asked them to admit. I'm sorry. Can I take it back, Anisha? Is that okay?
Yeah, do you need me to do it or can you do it
I
yourself?
think you need to do, ma.
Yeah, just do that.
Reclaim host. I have the option. Thank you. I have the option, Anisha. Thank you, ma. Okay, go ahead. Now you should be able to. Can you, Krisha?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. See, I don't mind enabling group chat, but it opens out a lot of unnecessary chat as well. Some are complaining that they are not able to chat one on one. Let's see. Go ahead. Did you guys get the answer for this?
I'm almost done with it.
We'll also do some rational word problems today. This is one topic in algebra 2 that I love to go over. If you don't know, just keep me posted, guys. We don't need to waste time. I will go over it.
Did you go over it?
Yes,
Yeah, I don't get it.
sure. Did you get to the last week homework?
I got some, but I got
That's what I saw. Some of the pages you've submitted, not all, right?
yeah.
See, that's the problem. Then it's very difficult to go over this, right? Rishit, you know this, right? I'm
Yeah,
asking
we
you,
learned it at school.
solving this wrong. But that's not right, Rishit.
It isn't?
Yeah. Okay, okay. I'm seeing a lot. Anisha, were you able to solve? Abhay, were you able to solve?
I was, but I'm not find the. I can't chat with you. Still, the same issue from last class.
Okay, you're not able to chat with me. Okay, you shout out your answer, Manisha.
I'm not sure about it, but I got
That's okay, Anisha. Don't worry about it. Tell me.
got negative 12x over x squared minus 9.
You are really too low. I raised my speaker to the max since you're talking. Can you shout out? I'll write down.
Negative 12x over x squared minus 9.
That's perfectly right. Okay, let's see. School has not taught this, right, for you?
Not for me.
Okay, okay. So, guys, I really want you to do the homework and come only. Abhay, were you able to solve?
No.
Why? Did you do the homework?
I was
I'm
trying.
not putting you under the bus. That's not my thought, okay?
Yeah, I was.
Yes. Go
I
ahead.
was trying to figure it out. I couldn't figure out these problems on the homework.
Okay, my only problem is if you don't do, guys, then the class is being pulled down so much. There are people who do completely, there are people who have not even seen the homework, you're not able to do. There are some in between who are getting incorrect answers. It's very difficult. You see what I mean? Meaning we are losing on time, I feel. Okay, so Akshata, I'm not asking you, I know that you were not here. 3 minus x, right? When you pull out the negative sign, this becomes negative, this becomes x minus 3. Why I do that? To match it with these. Okay, I don't want a 3 minus x, so I pulled out the minus. So 3 minus x became x minus 3 since I pulled out the minus. Now I'm going to find the least common multiple for all the three. The least common multiple is x plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, if you're going to take time on this, what would happen is I'll be extending rational functions for next week as well, rational expression operations for next week as well. What problems will be discussed next week? Everything will get delayed. X plus 3, I'm not mad and all, but you'll have to understand why I am asking you to do and come. I know you guys are busy, but it's so important to go into what we did, how we did. Am I able to reproduce at least 2 problems? Without that, the classes become unproductive. So now the least common multiple is x plus 3, x minus 3. So here, consider this fraction alone. You have x plus 3 here. What are you missing? You're missing x minus 3. So I will multiply that in the numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes x minus 3 the whole square. Now come to the next fraction. X minus 3 is there. So you will multiply it with x plus 3, x plus 3. When you do that, because this is your common denominator, I'll have to make that the common denominator for every fraction. So my numerator will become x plus 3. Please put in parenthesis, okay? Then only you'll get things right. Next one is x minus 3 I have. What is missing? X plus 3. So I'll multiply that here, multiply that here. Here it becomes a little different. It becomes x plus 2 times x plus 3. With that being the case, now I expand this. A minus b the whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 minus x minus 3. When I pull in the x, right, when I pull in the minus, right, both become minus. Here this becomes x square plus 2x plus 3x become 5x plus 6. When I bring in the minus, everything will become minus. Right? Now, can I cancel anything? Yes, I can. So, minus 6x is here. Minus 6. Okay, I can't cancel that. I mean to combine. Minus 6x can be combined with minus x can be combined with minus 5x. So, that becomes minus 12x. Okay. Here, plus 9 minus 3 minus 6 gets cancelled to 0. So, the numerator is minus 12x divided by x plus 3, x minus 3. Any questions, guys? I really feel we are not there. Okay, I'm going to make pull the class down literally. That's what I can do, right? Unless everybody understands, there's no point moving forward in my perception. Okay, not at least everybody. Most of you should understand for me, then only I can keep going. Okay, so how about this? We'll see this one. How about this? You need to be able to nicely, these are not in the book, so please go ahead and try these problems. I have to make sure at least most of you understand. Let's see. What are the possible values of x? Honestly, class will be pulled down if you do like this. And kids that are doing incorrectly, see, we are not doing justice, guys. Go ahead. Did you get the go ahead, guys. Abhay, did you submit your homework?
No, I don't think so. I don't really have anything to submit it on, so I have to like rely on my mom, and she has work.
What is it, ma?
I don't really have anything to submit it on myself, so
Meaning what, ma? You don't have the book?
I mean, I do, but I don't have a phone to like take a picture of it and submit it, and my mom also has work.
Ah, okay, but have you done the homework?
Yeah, I've looked at it. I've tried to get through the problem that I could understand.
Oh, okay. And come back with questions, right? That can help you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Rishit, that's correct. Krishiv. Krishiv, partially correct. There's one more answer that's missing. Not really Advait. Ishita, are you able to follow, ma?
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
Okay, were you able to do the homework?
No, I couldn't do it this week.
Oh, you didn't have time?
This week I just didn't have time.
Okay, but definitely do and come next week, ma.
Yeah,
How
I
about
will.
you, Subi?
What? For the first part, I didn't really understand like the first part of the homework you assigned, but I got the second part and I did it.
Okay, I'll help you. What is the first part of the homework you didn't understand? I'm going to go back. Can you tell me the page numbers?
It was 503 to
Sure.
509
503.
to 509. On the first,
Mama, wait. I think there was a mishap. Hold on. I only expected you to do. No. I think it was a mishap, ma. Sorry, ma. Wait. I only expected you to do from 5:15 and after, because I have not taught you the other.
oh,
Wait.
oh yeah, I did 5:15 and after.
Yeah.
I
That
didn't
that's
get.
the only thing I wanted. But did I make any? Oh, five. You don't have to do 503 to 509. I never worked on graphing. I will change
Oh,
that.
okay.
Okay.
I can submit the
You
ones that
you don't need
the
to submit as long as you do fine in class. I'm fine. You see what
okay.
I mean?
Yeah, I just didn't want to submit it because I didn't want to send like half the homework and not the other half.
Absolutely fine. Go ahead and do this one.
Okay.
Did you do this one? Abai, I need the answers for X, right? Everything is given. You are just simple.
Oh, whoops.
Shrikar, that's correct. Krishiv, one of the answers is correct. Avni, you have also simplified. What's going on, guys? Okay, see here. This one is 3 minus x, 8 minus x, right? I don't know, for myself, I prefer writing the x first. Okay, I'll pull out the minus out. When I pull out the minus, what happens? This becomes a plus 6 by x minus 8. And then when I pull out the minus, that becomes minus 2 by x minus 3. So I have this as 1. So the common denominator is x minus 8, x minus 3. Now consider each fraction. What is missing? X minus 8 is missing x minus 3. X minus 3 I'll multiply. So that becomes 6x minus 18. And then minus. Then minus this minus I'm copying. Now x minus 3 is there, but this is missing x minus 8, x minus 8. When I do that, this becomes 2x minus, please in parenthesis, 2x minus 16 will be equal to 1. Now 6x minus 18 minus 2x plus 16 will be equal to, this is a quadratic, meaning divide by that will be there. So when you cross multiply, that becomes x squared minus 8, 9. Hanisha, did you get the answer, ma? Plus 24. Now what do? I will try to cancel out and stuff, right? So here I can combine and say 4x minus 2 will be equal to x square minus 11x plus 24. X square minus 15x plus 26 equal to 0. 13 and 2 other factors. So x is 13 comma 2. Did you guys get it?
I think I messed up somewhere. I mean, I got negative 2 plus 4x over x squared minus 11x plus 24 is equal to 1.
What did you get, ma? Negative 2 over?
Negative 2 plus 4, the same thing, 4x minus 2, but then I did over x squared minus 11x plus 24.
I know why you. Okay, that is correct still. See, ma. Okay. I'll do it in a different way. That is still correct. I'll tell you where was the mistake. Here, you would have gotten it like this, right? You got 4x minus 2. So you maintain the fraction, which is absolutely correct. 4x minus 2 divide this you got, huh? Did you get this?
Yeah.
And then that was equal to 1, right, Anisha?
Yeah.
So that you did not consider. You should consider that and multiply both sides by the denominator. If you multiply both sides by the denominator, this side would become x square minus 11x plus 24. And after that, you can add and subtract for solve for the quadratic.
Oh, okay.
Can I move on? Okay, now let's move
Priya
on.
auntie,
Yeah.
the chat isn't working for me still.
I don't know. I need to resolve this problem. Meaning, if I open up the group chat, I don't want you guys to be chat. Let me see one last time. Everybody complained about this. Are you doing it from an iPad?
Yeah.
That might be the problem. Okay, because kids that are logging from the iPad, I feel like Zoom has not updated iPads properly. Okay,
No, my sister also has an iPad. It works perfectly for her.
maybe have you
Mine
updated?
isn't working either, so I'm using a MacBook.
You are not able to chat with me, you're saying?
No, it just stopped after my last one.
Wait, Akshada, can you reply to that chat?
It's still not working.
Okay, for you then it's not working. Advait, can you reply to the chat? Advait, you were able to reply. You were able to chat with me. I'm seeing.
No, it's not working anymore.
Why would that be? See, you're able to chat with me. It's not like it wasn't working, right? Can you reply to that message? Advait, can you reply to the message I messaged you?
It's not working.
Okay. Is there a new chat plus new chat button?
Uh,
Is there a plus new chat button?
I don't know.
Akshada, is there
It's working. Yeah, it's working for me when I put it in a thread.
in a thread, which is still okay, ma? There is
Yeah.
a plus new chat button, right?
I put that on. Let me try now.
Yeah, see, Advait, you're able to chat with me. Guys, before you complain that something is not working, we have to try everything, right? See, for Advait it's working, Akshada it's working. Who else it's not working?
It's not working for me either, but I've already done the new chat. But I don't know.
Okay, for you, wait, ma, Anisha, I'll message you. Let's try, ma. With you, can you try replying to that, Anisha? No, there is a real problem, I understand, but not for all. Anisha, can you reply?
No, it's not letting me.
What does it say?
It says you cannot chat with meeting group chat during this meeting.
That's what I'm saying. Is there a plus new chat window? Is there a plus
I've
new
already
chat?
tried that. It doesn't let me chat there either.
What does it say? Can you click on it? What does it say?
Let me send you a message.
Yeah. I'm going to slow down. That's fine. I really want you guys to understand it well before I move on. Tell me, Anish. Are you able to?
No, it says the same thing.
Okay. What is that? Mac or iPad? What are you messaging from?
I'm using an iPad. I'll try. I can log in on my Chromebook right now.
If you don't mind, try. Whenever you complete the question, you try. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Let's move on. Because when we so now I'm going to give you some easier questions, guys, to make it comfortable for all of us. Okay. So let's try that first, and then only I'm going to go to harder questions. Krishiv, are you following, Krishiv?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? Do you think you can all solve this one? I'm making it easier on you by giving easier questions. Let's see. How about this? Can you solve for x? Oh, okay. Anya, are you here? Yeah, Advait, you can solve that, right, Advait? I think you can solve that, right? Abai,
Yeah.
okay, Abai, can you work that out on the board? I think Rishit, that's right. Good job, Rishit. You're able to solve some of the questions which I'm really happy about. Um,
Um,
yeah, go ahead. Abai, how
all
did
I
you can I see?
all I did was I set the denominators equal by multiplying the whole side of the equation by 3, so it'd be 3 minus x. So it'd be 12 minus 3x over 3 minus.
Repeat what you said with what did you multiply with?
Yeah, I just multiplied that whole side of the equation by 3. So 4 minus x would become 12 minus 3x.
Okay. Okay, Rishit, you have to check the signs, Rishit. There is some mistake. Go ahead.
And I actually made a mistake. I forgot to multiply the other x by 3, so I wrote down 3 minus x, but that
But
still gave me the same.
wait a bit. Why are you multiplying by 3, right? Meaning, I will have to multiply both sides by 1 minus x first. I want all fractions to go. So when I
Mm,
multiply by 1 minus x, that becomes this, right? Now
yeah.
I want to multiply both sides by 3 minus x, correct? When I
Mm-hmm.
do that, 4 minus x times 3 minus x will be on one side. The other side will have 12 times 12 minus 12x, right? Now
Mm-hmm.
12 minus 3x minus 4x plus x square will be 12 minus 12x, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 12 minus 12x, right?
Yeah.
Now what did you do? Meaning you cannot cancel just like that. You need to, meaning where did you lose that one? Meaning where did it become linear? Because your answer is only one. Do you see? There has to be two
Yeah.
answers in this. Where did you lose the other x? Can I see?
Uh, instead of writing 3 minus 3x, I wrote 3 minus x when I multiplied it.
Ah, okay. So you okay, I see. I see. So you
You did
understood.
not even complete it, Abhay.
Okay, okay, okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Go ahead, Abhay. Now did you understand where was that problem,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Krishiv has a problem. I'm going to solve Krishiv's problem. X square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 12x plus 36, right? This is 12
It's
plus
not
7.
36. It's actually minus 12.
This
That's
one is
it.
minus 12. Okay, no
Yeah, yeah.
problem. So here, Krishiv, you have something on this side, something on this side, right? So what you do is, see, you have to bring all the everything to one side. So subtract 12x and add 12 to both sides. Subtract 12x and add 12 to both sides. This side will become 0, right, Krishiv? This side will become x square minus 17x plus 16 equal to 0. Does that make sense? Krishiv?
My bad. I was on mute, but did I do something wrong? Is
Yeah.
this correct?
Which is correct. Actually, yes, this itself is not right, I feel. I don't know how you got this. Can we move on from the first one? I'll solve with you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Each of you, whatever problems you have, let's discuss, right? Even if we do 5 problems, you should be able to understand fully. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ma. Go ahead.
Should I write it?
You can dictate to me. I'll write
Okay.
it fast.
So first I did on the left side. I did 1 minus x times 4 minus x.
Okay, 1
Like,
minus x times 4 minus x. Okay, then
and on the right side I did 12 times 3 minus x.
that you can't do, right? This is a
Oh,
division.
I did it on both sides. I did it on the top and the bottom for the left side and right side.
Okay, let's do one thing. What did you do? 4 minus x with what did you do?
I just did the common denominator thing. So on the
Oh,
left side I multiplied by 1 minus x on top and bottom.
no, right? 1 minus x is already present. Good, good, good. So the problem was you did common denominator. So, but here there is an equal to sign, right? So you cannot make common denominator to both, right? What you
Yeah, on
did
the right side I did 3 minus x.
on the right side, you multiplied by 3 minus x.
On top and bottom.
That you, okay, on top and bottom, okay, but if you multiply by 3 minus x, then denominator also will become complex, right? We don't want that. We want to get rid of the denominator, so multiply by 3 minus x on both sides, right?
Oh.
Okay, so this is 3 minus x times 4 minus x. Divide by 1 minus x will be, this and this will get cancelled, that will be 12. You got it?
Yeah.
This side, how to get rid of the denominator? Multiply by 1
1
minus
minus
x on
x.
both sides. This will get cancelled, but this will have a 1 minus x. Now you have to multiply, FOIL method, right? 12 plus x square minus 4x minus 3x is minus 7x equal to 12 minus 12x, right?
Yeah.
Priya, Auntie, can't you
Yeah.
just cross multiply and get the same thing?
Yes, you can see the other way. Advait says, yes, you can cross multiply and get the same thing. That's the best part. 4 minus x times 3 minus x will be equal to 12 times 1 minus x. You know why it works? Let's consider this. 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 8, right? When you cross multiply, still the thing is valid. It's just a fraction, right? Equivalent fractions. So you can just cross multiply 8 equal to 8. That's what you're doing here. So cross multiplication strategy perfectly works, provided you don't have anything like this. If there is a minus 1 by x on one side, you cannot cross multiply. You will have to work on common denominators. Does that make sense? See, it is just like solving fractions, guys. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. If I have it, and this side if I have 3 by 4, you cannot cross multiply. When can you cross multiply? You can cross multiply only when you have something like this. 4 by 7 is equal to 28 by 49. If you have two fractions, then you can cross multiply. That makes sense. If you have something like this, you cannot cross multiply. Did you get it? Okay, now I'm going to move on and give you easier problems more. Let's see. How about this? Okay, can you simplify this? I really want most of you to get it. Okay, how about that? Do you want to simplify that? See, this is equation on both sides. So first of all, your main intent should be to simplify the right side. How will you simplify the right side? Plus 1 is there, right? It's just fraction common denominator. Find the common denominator. Common denominator is 3 minus x. So on the right side, first work for each fraction to make 3 minus x as your common denominator. After that, you can cross multiply.
You're talking on mute.
Thank you so much, guys. Subi, your answer is right, is what I said. Uh, sh- sh- yeah, Shrika's last problem was right. Can you try this one, guys? Right side, you're going to get to a common denominator. Then you can cross multiply if you want to. Pasta kuzeta. Pura. Are you getting, guys? Rishit, that's right. Yeah, by. By, is it minus? I'll check. Yeah, guys, that's right. Can I help anybody? Do you need help? Yes, ma'am. That's correct. So slowly you're all getting it. Nice. Akshada, did you get it? Advait, did you get it? Krishiv?
I'm still trying to do it.
Sure, sure. Let me know
Me
because you
too.
did
I'm
it.
working through it.
Sure. Shrikar, were you able to get it?
Yeah, give me like a minute. I think I almost got it.
Okay. For the others, right? You can go ahead with one more, right? Let me ramp up a little bit. Mm, yeah, this one is a hard one. Sometimes when you find something common, those of you who have done, you don't have to wait. You can do this, the second one. See, on the right side, I can clearly see 5 is common in the numerator. 6 is common in the denominator. That's a clue. You got that equation, Krishiv? Okay, I'll work with you, Krishiv. I don't know. Let's see. Guys, if you're done, you don't have to wait. You can go with the second problem. Okay. Krishiv, I'll work with you. So how did you do this, Krishiv? Can you tell me for the first step?
3 minus x on the right side.
Oh, you multiplied with that?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 minus x. But see,
No,
the
no.
plus one
Yeah.
is there, right? So what did you do?
I did that to remove the 3 minus x on the right side.
Yeah, it won't get first of all you have to bring this to a common denominator, I told you, right? First of all you will have to simplify this. See, 12 by 3 minus x plus 1 is so messed up, you cannot do that multiplication till you solve this one, right? So how will you find a common denominator? 3 minus x is your common denominator. Okay, for the first fraction you'll get a 12 on top, but on the right side you have 1 as your denominator. So what you should do, you have to multiply by 3 minus x in both numerator and denominator. So that becomes 12 plus 3 minus x on the right side, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Did you do this or not?
I didn't do this.
Okay, so first you need to remove this plus 1, meaning it's so messy to have this. Now there is a fraction here, there is a fraction here. Then you can cross multiply. You got it?
Okay.
X minus 4 times 3 minus x will be equal to x minus 1 times 15 minus x. Then you work out and try, I'll wait. Okay, do the first problem. You don't have to do the second problem. Try, I'll help you if you don't get it. Yes, Shrikar, is it plus or minus Shrikar?
I
Check, I can check. But Rishit, did you get the second answer?
I'm still solving it.
Okay, Shrikar, that seems right, ma. Hey guys, some of you are giving 1 by 3, some of you are giving minus 1 by 3 for the first one. Let me check.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you bring that thing back that you just erased?
Oh, sorry. I don't know who. Wait. Yeah. Avni, is it minus 1 by 3 ma? Did you check properly on the first problem? I feel like it's plus 1 by 3. Can you check?
Okay, I'll double check.
Yeah. Abhay also had a minus 1 by 3. What is going on, guys? You're making mistakes on the signs, huh? Let me see. I will do myself and see. 12 by 3 minus x. Okay. So we did this, and then I'm going to multiply 3x minus 12 minus x square plus 4x is what I get. This side I get x square. See, this side I get minus x square, and then plus 15x minus 15 plus x.
Miss Priya,
So yeah, ma.
I redid it. It's positive 1/3.
It's positive. Ah, okay, okay, okay. That's good to know, ma. Abhay, then your answer you should see where you missed as well. Plus 7x minus 12 will be equal to. So this and this get cancelled. This one would be 11. Minus means 9x here plus no, 9x minus 3 equal to 0.
Oh yeah,
9x
that's where I
equal.
went wrong.
Oh, okay. So just be careful, guys, because at your level, right, algebra 2, even a negative won't be considered. They will be very harsh. Uh, yeah, I think that's right, Subi, on that one. Subi, you got a hang of it, right, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. We are just working on addition, subtraction. Sorry for that graphing. Subi, you can always message me, Auntie, is this related homework? I would be more than happy to respond.
Okay.
And even if you did not ask, come back to the class and immediately ask, right? Oh, there is a problem. Yes, it was a problem with me.
I was gonna ask, but then you were already gonna ask me about the homework, so
Okay. No, that I'll cover after this only. After the word problems, that's what we are going to solve.
okay.
Okay, I don't know how I assigned it, meaning somewhere I messed up. I'm waiting on the second question, but Krishiv, you can send me the first answer. That's absolutely fine. Akshada, are you able to do, ma?
I'm kind of getting it.
Kind of. You want me to solve or you're good?
I can try to do it on my own.
Yeah, just one if you do, that's enough for me. See, that's what is picking up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Anisha, you got it?
Miss Priya, my screen's lagging, and I can't see it on the whiteboard anymore.
What do you mean by that? You want me to stop and share again? Let's see.
Okay.
I can try. Are you able to see now?
No, it just says Priya Rajan is sharing screen. That's it.
Okay, then there might be a problem with your internet. Do you want to log off and log in back?
Okay, yeah.
1 minute. Let me ask the others. Krishu, are you able to share the screen? See the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, then you try, ma. Rishit.
Okay.
Ishita, I'm not getting your answer. Shrikar, I'm not getting your answer.
Yeah, I'm doing it. One second.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I'm going to meaning I will take off the whatever book homework. I will assign only simple rational expressions, addition, subtraction for this week as well. Then only next week I can go to multiplication, division, I feel. Guys, did you get it? The second one? Second one only couple of you got it, right? Yeah, at least one if you have solved, I'm going to move on. Abhay, did you get the second answer?
I'm almost done.
Yeah. No, if you're stuck, you can let me know as well. I'll do it.
Oh God, I'm just like marking myself.
I think next week we'll have a double hour class. Huh? I need to check on that. 22 January 16th. Okay.
Okay, I can see it now.
Good, Duma. Go ahead. Shrikar, correct, Shrikar. Very nice. Advait, I'm going to do the second one directly. Okay, so here, guys, when you look at it, right, when you have two different fractions here, you cannot cross multiply. First, you have to bring them to common denominator, correct? X plus 2 times x plus 5 is my common denominator. The first fraction is lacking what? X plus 2 is there in the denominator. So you need to multiply numerator with x plus 5, denominator with x plus 5. That denominator is in here. I don't need to rewrite. But numerator, I'm just writing it down like this. I'll go step by step. For the second fraction, I have x plus 5 in the denominator. What is missing? X plus 2. I don't need to write the denominator. Numerator, I will multiply with x plus 2. So that becomes x minus 1 times x plus 2. That will be equal to 5 times x plus 4 divided by 6 times x plus 4. 5 times x plus 4, 6 when you take out x plus 4. Oh, wow. See, that is getting crossed out 5 by 6. Anisha, did you get it, ma?
No, I think I made a mistake somewhere.
Minus x plus 2x minus 2 divided by x square plus 7x plus 10. That's it, guys. So here x square I wrote. Okay, take it out if you want to. Then I have to combine the x's. 5x minus x is 4x. Then plus 13, right, times 6 will be equal to 5x square. Cross multiplying. Plus
Wait, so you're
35.
basically cross multiplying on the first step as well, right?
Okay, let's do. Which step, ma? Where?
like the first thing that you do x plus 5 times 3. That's cross multiplying, right?
This one? Okay.
X plus 2 time. It's just cross multiplying, right?
X plus 2 times x plus
Like
5.
the thing with the common denominator is just cross multiplying, right?
I am, but don't take it as cross multiplying, because I'll tell you why. If you have it like this, what do you do in a fraction, Krisher? You are going to write 2 times 3 as your common denominator, correct?
Yeah.
Then with this fraction, 2 is already there. You're going to multiply with 3, multiply with 3. You're just bringing to the common denominator, that's all.
Okay.
You got
Thank
it?
you. Yeah.
This side 3 is there. You're going to multiply by 2, multiply. This is not cross multiplying yet. I do understand why you're calling it as cross multiplying, because you're multiplying by 3, multiply. That will not happen if you have it like this. So don't take it as cross multiplication. Understand what you're doing and multiply numerator and denominator by the required term. That's what you're doing here.
Okay.
Okay. Now cross multiplying comes into picture when you have a definite fraction on the left side, definite fraction on the right side. Then you can cross multiply. Does it make sense? 6x square plus 24x plus 6 3s are 18, 78 will be equal to 5x square plus 35x plus 50 I'm getting, right? So this will become x square, then 24 minus 35 is I am getting a 9x, 78 50 is a plus 28 I'm getting 7, no 7 4. I am not getting a proper answer. 50 60 70 78, yeah, 28 I'm getting. Did I do it correctly? One second, guys. Let's see.
That's what I got.
But Amma, there is some mistake, Ma. This is correct, okay? But this one, 12 should be there. How is it a 9,
Miss
Ma?
Priya, I think when you subtract minus 35x on both sides, it's minus 11x.
11. I am sorry, guys. See, minus 30, yeah, subtract 35x, I took it as 9x. Sorry. Thank you, Ma. So here, x square minus 11x plus 28 equal to 0. So what happens here? X square, you can factorize it. Minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 equal to 0. X times x minus 7 minus 4 times x minus 7 will be equal to 0. X minus 7 times x minus 4 will be equal to 0. X equal to 7 comma 4. Any questions, guys? Okay. Okay, so that is on addition subtraction, right? So I'll go a little bit further, look at multiplication and division. Guys, if we are foundationally strong with fractions, it should be very easy. Okay, 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 3, what do? You multiply this and write the answer here, correct? For division, 1 by 4 divide by 1 by 3. What do you do, guys? Same thing applies to rational expressions. 1 by 4, you change it to multiplication and flip it, correct? So that becomes 3 by 4. Same logic will apply when it comes to rational expressions. See, I'm going to show you a couple. Let's see this one. 3x square. I'm going to make it 3x square divided by x square minus 2x minus 8 times Yama.
I have to go. I have to go to dinner to my neighbor's.
You can go ahead. 2x square minus 6x minus 20 divided by x square minus 3x minus 10. If you want to multiply these complicated expressions, right, things will become easy when you simplify that. 3x squared. When you factorize this, what happens? 4 and 2, right? So this is minus 4x plus 2x, right? So that would be x times x minus, what will be the factors? X minus 4 and then x plus 2, right? Times, what happens here? 2 is common. Clearly 2 is common. When I take it out as common, x square minus 3x minus 10. Divide by x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now you can cancel out the common terms. Completely this is getting cancelled. Do you see? So what happens? Now when you multiply, the numerator is 6x square. Denominator is x minus 4 and x plus 2. That is the simplified form. Any questions? Multiplication is relatively very easy. Okay, I'll try to give one and you can try. And you can try one multiplication before we log off for the day. Okay, let's try this. It gives you a very simple answer. Okay, let's try this one. How about x by x? It's a simple one. X minus 9 times 3x minus 27 by x plus 1. Do you think you can handle this? Division, if you are given division, you are going to flip and multiply. That's it. There is no difference between multiplication and division. Only thing is, in division, you are going to flip and multiply. Do that one, guys, and this one. This is the last problem. Krishu, if you are getting both, great. Let me know. Oh wow, Akshada, you got it. Good job, ma. Akshada, you're able to pick up, right? Do
Yeah.
addition and subtraction a little more, okay? Multiplication division is easy.
Yeah, I'll do the homework this
Yeah,
weekend.
take your time, okay? Yeah. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do it on the board quickly, I'll do it. Anisha, you're able to type to me, right?
Can you do the second one on the board?
What, ma? You want me to write something on the board?
Can you do the second one?
Yeah, whatever. Oh, yeah, I can directly do the second one. Yes. So this is x plus 7 times x plus 7. I will not multiply unnecessarily if I can cancel out. So I'll wait to see whether I can cancel out. Okay, this results in multiplying with x squared plus x minus 2. Did I give it to you correctly? I'll check once, please. Yeah, plus x. Yeah, I gave it to you correctly. So denominator is, see, when you flip it, I change it to multiplication, so I'll have to flip it, right? Clearly, the denominator is factorizable. What is it? X plus 7, x plus 2. Do you see it? And then numerator is, what is it, guys? Plus 2x minus 1. Do you see? Plus 2x minus 1x, correct? So it becomes x plus 2, x minus 1. I can cancel this and write x plus 2, x minus 1. Factorize it very easily. Then x plus 2 gets cancelled, right? Now it's all multiplication. Any numerator can be cancelled with any denominator, right? So let's try. Let's rewrite it. X plus 7 times a. Don't multiply unnecessarily, okay? Divide by x square times x minus 1 divided by x plus 7. So what happens here? See, that also gets cancelled. As a result, you get x plus 7 times x minus 1 divided by x square. That is your answer. Make sense? So the first one is quite easy. If you take 3 as common, this becomes x minus 9. Now see what can get cancelled. This denominator and this numerator. See, everything is in multiplication. X times 3 times x minus 9. So you can cancel any of these factors with denominator factors. So that got cancelled. Now you have 3 times x as your numerator. Denominator is x plus 1. That's the simplified form. Did you guys get it? Okay, if you really got it, you can log off. Feel free to log off. Have a nice week ahead. Anisha, did you get the second one, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So multiplication division I have touched. Next week, word problems. Okay, guys. Yeah, but please work on the homework. Partially, at least I need some homework.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. See you all
Thank
next
you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Yes, ma.
I think you were telling me something, but then I left.
What was that, ma?
I thought you were telling me something, but then I logged off.
Yeah, I wanted to check with you. How are you feeling with algebra 2? Did you take the test?
Yeah, I got 10 questions wrong.
Still okay, but did you go over the 10 questions?
Yeah.
How
I feel like some of them they were just like all 1 second. I have it saved somewhere. I can
Yeah.
pull it
No,
up.
no, if you understood, it's okay. But there were one mistake. There was a mistake. Did you see question number 71 had a mistake?
Like the question itself or like what I did.
Question itself had a mistake. That's what I keep saying.
Okay.
I don't know. I did not even give you the rationals.
I think some of them were just like I don't know if you taught, but like I just didn't get it.
I see. I see. Why don't we discuss when you come next
Oh,
week?
I got it. Question 71.
Question 71 was what the mistake I said.
Oh. Oh, but I got that question right.
That's because you said there were multiple answers, okay? You would have selected that one answer that was right. Meaning there were there were 2 or 3 answers. You might have
Okay.
selected that any of meaning the correct answer marked right, but 3 are right, not that one is right. That's all.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. I think algebra 2 was kind of like hard for me at the start, but now I'm kind of like getting it.
I see. So okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You want to show me the other mistakes?
I
Because it's
think
very
some
particular you have to pass the CB. What is it?
yeah, one question I knew it. I think it was just like a silly mistake.
Can I see? Okay, okay. The other
It
one?
was like factoring 27x cubed minus 125. I think I accidentally like switched some minus and plus because I got
But that is
like
actually
the whole second term was different from the second term that was actually like right.
But you know the formulas, right? A cube minus b cube.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'll leave it to you to review. Okay, you are at a point where you can review, not like your sister where somebody needs to sit with her.
Yeah. Okay.
You can let me know if after reviewing, if you're really not getting it, come back and ask.
Okay.
Don't prevent yourself from asking.
Okay.
Okay, but the algebra to CB will be very easy.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Anything else? Let me know.
Okay. Thank
Complete
you.
the entire book somehow before the test. Hey,
Okay.
I will also give you separate revision units.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye, ma.
Okay, bye.
Hi guys, give me 1 minute, guys. One second, guys. One second, guys. Give me a minute, okay, before I get started. Okay, Ananya's mom messaged. Okay, now give me a minute, guys. Um, okay, let's go ahead. I'm done with whatever I wanted to. I just want to make sure I assign the homework. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. Okay, videos, please, guys. That is quite important. Okay, now any questions on your current homework that you had that you want me to get to and solve? I know we did discuss trigonometry, angle of elevation, depression problems, correct, guys? Did you have any questions on them? Yes, Abhyut, you had questions?
I needed help on cosines.
Absolutely. You want me to share the homework first with you?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Guys, you need to submit the homework. Clearly, many of you have not submitted. Usually, people who submitted as well have not done it. I am a little off, guys, with this one. Oh my god. One second. Pratika is in here. Ishita, did you join? What's going on, guys? Okay. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, we need to do the trig, right? Did you have any questions, Johan, on that?
I didn't have questions on the homework.
You didn't?
Yeah, I didn't.
Were you able to do the homework? I didn't see your submission.
I submitted part 1 and 2, but I didn't think I got to 3, 4, and 8.
Oh, you have not done?
I just submitted 1 and 2. I didn't get to 3, 4, and 8.
Okay, you still have to do the homework, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, please do. Otherwise, you will miss out on those concepts completely. Dhruv, did you do your homework?
I did part 1, but I didn't do the rest. So I couldn't submit it.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you don't do the homework, right, those concepts will be gone forever. Diya, were you able to do, ma?
Yeah, I did till part 3. I did 3. But how do I turn it in? Do I just like take a picture and put it in the
in Google
assignment?
Classroom, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use an app called Cam Scanner to make it into a PDF, upload it.
Okay, I'll do that.
Guys, I really need all of you to submit the homework on time.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I also didn't get to like part 4 and 8, so I only submitted a part 1 and 2.
Okay. Okay, Ananya, how about you? Pratika, how about you?
I did the first assignment, but I didn't get to the second one.
Yeah, I started, but I didn't get to finish it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me know, guys. All of you are doing CBE in this class, huh? Is any of you taking geometry directly? No, right? Let me quickly go over. I want to start probability then, meaning I know you guys know trigonometry. After this, I wanted to do 2D, 3D geometry. Oh, Shreya will come. Okay. Okay, let me see, guys. Whatever I can, I'll do, because probability is a concept that's hard. Usually we suffer at the end. I don't want it to be a suffering. So I really want to get started with probability. Let me see, guys. Okay, go ahead. Now, Avyuk, I don't want to take your time. Go ahead and ask the questions. We were discussing the homework, right?
Oh yeah, so in part A,
Share
there
the...
was...
One minute. Let me go there, please. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Go ahead.
So it's in part 8.
Part A. Part 1, now.
Part 8. 8.
8.
8.
Okay. 8.
Yeah.
Automatically, if you keep doing the homework, CV will be very easy. Go ahead.
And on question 4.
4.
Yes.
Let's see. I don't know what is question 4. Let's see. Beth is measuring the height of a tree. She stands... Okay, this is my tree. I'll draw a tree, guys, okay? She stands 37 feet away from the base of the tree. The angle formed by the ground and the line on the top of the tree is 75. Okay. Find the height of the tree. What is the problem here? What did you come
Oh
up
wait, I got the wrong question, my bad.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, it was question 2.
Question 2?
Yes.
Really? The distance from Albany to Bethany is 75 miles, and from Bethany... Okay, let me draw, please. A to B is 75. And from B to C is 105. If the roads from Bethany to Albany, the roads from Bethany to Albany and from Bethany to Salina, okay, make an angle of 87 degrees. Okay, let's see. That's a little complicated. So, let me draw it like this. Bethany is here. The distance from Albany to Bethany is 75 miles, and from Bethany to Salina is 105 miles. If the roads from Bethany to Albany and from Bethany to Salina make... Oh, if the roads from Bethany to Albany and from Bethany to Salina make up 87-degree angle, what is the distance from Albany to Salina? I know what is the problem. This is SAS, right? Okay. Okay. This is not something I taught you, Avyukt, okay? Since this is, see, side included angle side, right? If it is side included angle side, you have to be using the law of sines. First of all, this is not a right angle triangle. It is any triangle, right? In any triangle, law of sines and law of you have to use law of cosines here. in any triangle that's not a right triangle, meaning any triangle, law of sines and law of cosines will work. Okay, here clearly it's not a right triangle, but you are given one side, included angle and one side. So based on that, you can decide on using law of sines or law of cosines. Okay, which I did not teach. Okay, but I would really like to go over this one sample. Okay, let me go to the back. Simple problems you should be able to do. Usually I teach, depends on the group. Okay, some kids at school, they work on law of sines and law of cosines. In that case, I really do these problems. Okay, some of the cases I don't do, mostly I don't do. Having said that, I don't mind explaining where law of sines and law of cosines will work. When you look at it, right, side included angle side is given in a diagram, or side is given in a diagram, then you end up using law of cosines. What does the law of cosines say? The law of considering a triangle with sides A, B, C. How are you defining A, B, C? Just watch nicely. When I say this is A, this is B, this is C, I will make the opposite side small a, that is the length, small b, that is the length, C angle, C, small c, opposite side. This being the case, there is a law of sines, law of cosines, which states that, see, this is A, the red is A, capital A is the angle, small a is the distance between B and C. That being the case, law of sines says a square equal to the other two sides square minus 2bc cos A. B square will be equal to a square plus c square, subtract 2ac cos B. C square, the side distance, small letters, right, will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos C. Let me go over this, guys, meaning it should not be like we have not gone over this. You see what I mean? So, this is the law of cosines. I can explain one more time. Let me stop screen share. Let's go there. Since he came up with a question, I feel like going over it, okay? Sometimes for CBE particularly, what happens is I'll say, hey, okay, geometry constructions won't come. But at the end in your exam, you see geometry constructions, and that deceives me a bit. So I would really go over this. For you guys, one of you should remind me to go over geometric constructions, perpendicular bisect. We did some constructions, right, on a couple of classes, but that's not enough. You need to know more constructions as well. I will send you a link. If you're all writing CBE, you should know constructions of a perpendicular bisector. You should know about copying angle we did, right? Some of the constructions we did. But there are some more that you need to know. I can send you the list for you to learn. Meaning, constructing an angle of 75 degrees, constructing an angle of some angle construction you need to know, which I have not introduced you. Remind me on that. Now, let's discuss this law of cosines. Law of cosines applies for any angle. It need not be a right triangle. Okay. So, let's say this is ABC. The side lengths are A, B and C. In this scenario, I can say A square will be equal to the other two sides square, remember, and then you remove 2B C cos A. You see, similarly, B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. Any questions, guys? Any questions you have first?
No.
So, from this pattern, can you tell me what is C square?
C square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C.
Correct. Cos C, the angle. That's it. So, if you are given a side, let's say they give you a side angle. They give you CBA. What will you use? They give you C, B, A, SAS or you know about SAS and SSS already, right? So they are giving you SAS, included angle and side. So B is given C is given, A angle is given, B is given, C is given, A angle is given. So you know all of these. Plug the values, you can get this side. Make sense, guys? From that side, A you know now. So A you know, C you know, you can, if B also you know, you can find out the B angle as well. Did you all get it? It is just plugging in values. Once you but the biggest part here is, from the given data, you have to identify first whether they have given SAS, SSS. In these two scenarios, you will end up using law of cosines.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Uh-huh.
For B squared is equal to C squared plus A squared, it can be A squared plus C squared too, right?
Oh, yes, yes. It's
Okay.
commutative, right? Okay, so, okay, now, I don't want to go without doing one or two problems, okay? So, just because, I mean, I didn't mean to come and teach this today, but absolutely okay, guys. I don't mind going over. Let's see this one. How about this? Okay, how about this? You're going to draw and apply the formula by yourself, okay? Let's see this one. Will you be able to do? Please draw a parallelogram, has a 68-degree angle. Any angle can be 68 here, okay? And sides 8 and 12. Now, would you be able to find the length of the diagonal? First of all, you have to verify whether they have given SAS or SSS. Then only you can apply law of cosines. That is quite important. This is just an add-on, but you know what? The law of sines and cosines will again come in pre-calculus. That is why they don't teach it in geometry. And guys, sometimes you get it in your SAT, ACT exams, so it's better to learn. Okay. Done? You come up with the answer for this one. If you're not able to come up, then I'm more than happy to help. You're going to tell me if you need help. Dia would love to start seeing your homework.
Okay, I'll just like find a way to put the PDF onto Google Classroom and I'll turn it in.
Sure, ma. The thing is, instead of just doing one part, you have to do everything. Then only you'll be able to catch up as well, ma.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want us to round?
Round, is that rounding meaning, does it involve rounding? Let me check.
Okay.
Let me check, ma. Maybe, I don't know. Let's check. What did I give you? Parallelogram problem, ma. Yes, you can round it to the nearest whatever you want.
Okay.
Tenth maybe. I don't have the answer to this question. It's okay, I will do it.
Miss Priya, I can't put my answer into the chat for some reason.
Okay, wait, let me see. Give me a minute. 16 times cos. Okay. Can you round it to the nearest tenth, ma? I'm trying to help you, Johan. Why is it chat down? Okay, what is that you're not understanding, Dhruv? Can you help me understand? I'll help you.
So I just didn't understand like how to like find the length. I understood the question, but just not how to get the answer.
You just need to plug in. Did you note down the formulas?
No, I didn't.
See, that's the problem, right? Dhruv, when we are listening to the class, you're expected to take notes as well, right, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Then without the formulas, you can never solve. So here, 8, 12 or 12, 8, whatever.
Wait, Miss Priya, I have a
Yeah.
question. How do you know which angle to how do you know which formula to use? Because you don't know what sides are A, B, and C.
The parallelogram has a 68-degree angle, okay? You cannot, meaning this is an obtuse angle, so you're going to do this, right? 68 degrees. Makes sense?
Yeah.
And find the length of the diagonals. You want the length of the diagonal, right? That's it, right? Was it difficult?
No, it's just I don't know which formula to use. Like A square plus equal B square.
It
B square
doesn't
plus
matter, right? Whatever you write here. A, B, if you write it here, you are going to use C square formula because C becomes a diagonal.
well,
C
okay.
square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Right? Cos C. C is this, means this is your C angle.
Oh, okay.
Did I make you help you understand, ma?
Yeah.
2, 8, 12 cos 68. What did you get, Johan? I messaged you. Can you reply to that, Johan?
Yeah, I don't think I can still, but I got 11.7.
I have to check. Hold on. Give me a minute. I'm checking. One last step I did not do. Hold on. 11 point. Others, what did you get? Did you get, guys? Avyuk, did you get it?
Yeah, I got 11.7 as well.
Okay, good. Dhruv, did you understand how to substitute, Dhruv?
Yeah.
One more question on law of, see, law of cosines, you have to check whether it is SSS or SAS. Okay, it's important. Okay, now let's try this one. I know you guys can solve. I'll give you a little bit of a complex problem. Let me see. How about this? This is the last one we'll do in law of cosines, okay? How about this? Shreya, what are you doing in school, ma?
We just finished with like congruency, so now we're gonna move into trigonometry.
Oh, that's nice. We finished it. And what is the next unit, do you know?
Trigonometry.
No, after trigonometry.
No, we don't. I don't know that yet.
Okay, Shreya, we were discussing this before you came. What I was thinking was, can I include probability subunit, meaning just one exercise on probability, so that you all find it easy when we move to the end. I know school will not follow the sequence. You know what the school does? After trigonometry, they'll move to 2D, 3D geometry. Okay, so what I'll do is, I will insert one exercise on probability, then go to 2D. then another exercise on probability, go to 3D. That way probability will also get done. Make sense? Okay. That way probability is a little hard to digest and you need some time to digest those problems. Okay, let's see. We'll do that. Go ahead. Go ahead, guys. I just need answers on that. Thanks, Pa. Yeah, I will do that, guys. That way I want you to find it easier this year. Let's see. Find the value of x. Did you guys get it? Johan, why is it you don't know, Johan? Why do you say that?
I'm not sure how to like divide it so that I get the values to plug in.
Okay. But why can't you? I'm wondering. Okay, that's a little complicated, but that's not complicated. We have discussed every piece of it. Okay, why did you feel complicated? Can you tell me?
Oh, because I wasn't sure if to find the side length, because I see two triangles, and to find the side length of the other, I didn't know how much to subtract from 5.9 to get the base.
So you think you're not knowing the missing side? I see. So you think okay, I see. I see what is the problem, but Dhruv, not really Dhruv. There is something missing, but I feel like you're on track. Okay, can I give you some clues on this? I said, what are the two scenarios you will use law of cosines? I have not taught any law of sines. So one is SSS, one is SAS. These two scenarios you can easily follow law of cosines, right? To find out the sides and angles in a triangle. Now you know this is 6. This is 6 as well. The marking clearly says that that's 6. Right? This one is given as 5.9. So, does it not follow SSS? Yes, it does follow SSS. And you can easily find out what? Can you find out this angle which is required to find x later? The problem is two subparts. So you have to find that angle. Once you find that angle, what else you know? You don't know? What else you know? You can find that angle first. Is there anything else that can help? And after that, wait, let me see. You have to know this side. Did anybody find? Dhruv, how did you do?
So basically, it's the whole triangle is isosceles.
Correct.
So I just divided the base by 2, and then
And then?
And then I squared it. Yeah, I think I squared it. and then I added it to 6
Then
squared,
squared it. Okay, and then you squared it. Okay, but
and then yeah.
that will not give you the. No, why would you square it?
No, so for like 2.95 squared equals 6 squared plus x squared.
Where is this 2.9 coming from?
Because I have the base to find x.
Yeah, base is 5.9. How did you get 2.5?
2.95.
Oh, you just divided into 2?
Yeah.
But you cannot divide it into 2, right? Because this is so small, right? Is it not, Dhruv? See, I'm thinking out loud with you guys. This should be an easy one. Let's see. You can as well think with me, guys. It's not that I have to think here. You can as well think. If you get something out, you have to let me know. One thing, what extra I know is this angle is equal to this angle because it's an isosceles triangle. So, will that help? See, law of sines will really help. But can't we use law of cosines, because I have not taught you. Law of sines is going to help you find everything. Okay, but I'm wondering if we can do this using law of cosines as well, because you have so this is an isosceles triangle. Having said that, okay, this side is 6. Not really. Wait, that cannot be used. So basically, you don't have anything. Oh, you don't have anything. This is 68, right? Okay, that is 68 they have given. That is hard, guys. Okay, let me think about it and come back. Let's go ahead with another. Oh my gosh. Okay, just 1 second, guys. I have some other group coming. I will just break them out in a breakout room. You're going to wait a minute. Shrikar, are you here? Just 1 second, guys. I'm sorry to interrupt this. Shrikar, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hamsini, you're there, right? I'm going to break you out to the breakout room, guys. You're going to join. Hamsini, whoever comes in, you might have to admit the others, okay? You're going to take them to the breakout room without intervening in this class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and you know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you have the printouts with you, all of you?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I have to, I have to print out.
Okay, no problem. But for the guts round, Ganasham's mom will come in and coordinate, okay, till I come. Make sense?
Okay.
I'm going to
Yeah.
open the rooms now. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Shrikar. What was that?
I just said all right.
Sure. You both are there. You can break out. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Let's move on. So this one is a tough one. Let's go ahead with another. Law of sines is very useful. So let me go ahead and talk to you about law of sines. But this is under law of cosines. I'll have to sit and see what works. Okay. Coming to the law of cosines, I want one more problem, right? How about this? Can you solve the second one, guys? Can you solve the second one? Go ahead, guys. Can you solve the second one? Arushi, you can join the breakout room. I've invited you, Arushi. Go ahead, guys. I'll do the first one. That's a question for me. Second is a question for you. Guys, if you're stuck, please let me know, guys. We are still working on law of cosines only, so just check. For that one, let me check the answer as well. 50. Okay. Oh, that's a hard. Okay, that seems to be a little hard.
Miss Priya,
It's
not letting me put my answer in chat again.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I really don't know how to fix this. Let me see. I don't want you to shout out. Wait, Johan. Okay, let me try chatting with you and then you can answer to that. Each of you are having one answer, guys. Did you all put your calculator in degree mode? Shreya, did you put your calculator in degree mode?
Oh, yeah.
You did? No, something doesn't match at all. Pratika correct. Pratika correct. Ashrita correct. Avyukt correct. Dhruv, I have to get your answer. Diya, I have not got your answer. Dhruv, Diya, Shreya. Shreya, can you tell me how you did? You want to shout out?
Yeah, so I did sine and I did opposite over.
How can you do that, ma? This is not a right triangle, right? You see, this is not a right triangle, right? Diya, can you educate me how you did?
Yeah, so I didn't really have a 90-degree angle, so I just used the angle we had, 71.8. So I found out where opposite and adjacent were, and then I used tan to solve.
Wait, trigonometry ratios can be used only in right triangles.
Oh, okay.
This is not a right triangle at all, so you have to use the law of sines. SAS, right? So, Ananya, did you get the answer?
I'm working on it. I realized I didn't switch to degree once, so I was doing that.
A, B, C. Johan, can you shout out your answer?
I got 8.4.
8.4 is correct. So here A is 8, B is 6, minus 286 cos C is what? Cos 70? What is that? 71.8. Put it in degree mode. Put it straight into the calculator. You will get C squared. Then for finding C, you will have to find the square root of your answer, which works out to be 8.4. Guys, you need to be able to substitute, find the answer. Abhyuv, you got it. Okay. Dia, did you understand, ma?
Yeah, I got it now.
How about Shreya? Did you get it?
Wait, Miss Priya, what did we like after -2 times 6 times 8, what did you do for cos?
What is that, ma?
You put cos 71.8, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
Go ahead and ask.
I got 70.01.
The
And
value. What is the
yeah.
square root of that?
Oh, I forgot we were doing square root.
Yeah, because it's a square, then you find out the square root, I'm saying. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Shreya, did you understand only for right triangles you can use cosine tan? For
Yeah.
other triangles, you have to use law of cosine or law of sine. Law of cosine is used when you see SAS and SSS given. Okay. Now, coming to law of sines, what is this law of sines? You will use this law of sines when there are two angles given. When there are two angles given, included side, or they give you side and non-included angle. Do you get that, guys? Meaning, what is the scenario you'll use law of sines? Law of sines you can use even for not right triangles. Law of sine and law of cosine is the best part of them is you can use for any triangle. It doesn't have to be right triangles. Okay, law of cosine is used only in case SSS, three sides of a triangle is given, or two sides and included angle is given. Okay, law of sine is used when two angles, see, two angles and one side. It can be anything, included side or anything, or side angle is given. In this scenario, right, any angle, right, it need not be a right triangle. So, see, always angle A means opposite side is small a. C means opposite side is small c, the length. Opposite side is B, the small b is the length. Now, what does the law of sine say? Sine A by A equal to sine B by B equal to sine C by C. That's all, guys. It's an easy one. So, if they give you two angles, you can just use this. Two angles and a side will be given, right? You can find the other side. Or, two sides and an angle are given. Let's say, two sides are given, one angle is given. Two side is given, one angle is given. In that case as well, you can find the other angle. So, law of sines is really useful. The previous problem can be solved with law of sines as well. It's pretty easy to solve with law of sines. Go ahead, guys. Did you get that? Did you note down? Can I move on with law of sines problems? I did not get the answer yet for law of cosines. Did you get it, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will give you a small simple problem in law of sines. Then, in the meantime, I want to work on that and find it out. Wait. Law of sines, I need to give you a problem. Right? Let's see. Law of sines, simple problem I'll give you. I'm not going to give you a harder one. For you guys to digest law of sines, plugging in the formula is what I'm going to give you first. Okay. Let's see. How about this? I'm going to erase the concept, whatever explanation we had. You're going to do the law of sines problem, second one. Okay, leave it to me on the first one. Yeah, actually, for the first one, there is no way we can find out just using law of cosines. I'm just wondering because law of sine can easily be used to find it. I don't know, guys. Yeah, guys, you need law of sines for the first one. Let's see. We'll do it. We'll do after this. Did you guys get it? Dia, did you get it, ma?
Miss Priya, can you do this one?
Solving it.
What is it, ma?
Can you do this one?
Yeah, absolutely. What does the law of sine say? Sine of the angle divide by A, the opposite side. Let's say ABC is the triangle. Opposite to A is the length A. Opposite to B is the length B. Opposite to C is the length C. So sine A by, here A and B are given, right? Angle A is given. So I'll use only that. Sine B by B. Okay, what they're asking you to find? Measure of the angle B. So we don't know this. Okay, that we don't know. Okay, now what is sine A? Sine 40 by 3 equal to sine B by 2. So sine B will be equal to 2 sine 40 by 3. B will be equal to sine inverse of 2 sine 40 by 3. Did you all get it? What was the answer, guys? I will leave it to you still. This you can work it out in a calculator and tell me. Did you get the answer? Johan, you can shout out. Dhruv, did you get the answer?
Oh, I got 25.4.
That's right. Guys, do it in the calculator, guys. 100%. Just tell me what is the answer. Did you get it? Dia, that's right. Shreya, did you get the answer, Shreya?
Yeah, I sent it to you.
What is that, ma?
I sent you my answer.
Yeah. What is that? Anybody else had a question? Yes, Shreya, that's right. 25.4 is right. Let me give you one more question for you to work with law of sines. Then we'll go to the other question. How about this? I want law of sines, right? Okay, let's see this one. I want you guys to draw. Okay, let's see whether you're getting this. Please draw, and the diagram should make sense. When you draw, recheck whether it is making sense. From lighthouses P and Q that are 16 kilometers apart, a disabled ship S is sighted. If SPQ is 44, SQP 66, you have to draw a diagram that makes sense. Find the distance from S to the nearest lighthouse. So are you going to find out SP or SQ? First of all, tell me that. What are you going to find, right, guys? SP or SQ? Oh, good. Each one is getting 1. Avyukt, you got the answer you mean, Avyukt?
No, I didn't type it in yet.
Okay. Shreya, that's right, ma. Ashrita, did you give the answer, Ashrita? No, right? Guys, if you're finding it hard, you can always feel free to say. Yeah, go ahead.
Priya, can you explain this one?
Yeah, absolutely. Diya, are you able to do, ma?
Yeah, I'm still working on it.
Okay. Ashrita, why don't you draw the diagram on the board?
The picture.
Yeah, picture.
Oh, like I'm
Right.
not drawing. Do you think it's easier if we draw it? Because I didn't draw it.
Why don't you? Yeah, that's what I said. You have to draw the diagram for these.
Okay.
Any trigonometry problem needs a diagram, okay? So it's important that you draw. You can draw it on the board as a rough notebook. You can draw on the board.
Can you draw it so like
No, please.
I know
No,
what to do
I'm not
from.
going to draw, Ashrita. You're going to draw.
Okay. How do I draw on the board?
Yeah, why not? It's like
No,
a rough diagram. If you make
no,
a
like
mistake, you're going
how
to
do I do it?
annotate. Find out, figure out. I don't know where where is annotate. You guys are better than me, right? You're all tech savvy. There is an annotate button, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
on like I think on like certain like technology, like certain
Yeah,
devices,
help us out. Yes.
they don't have like annotate.
Oh, are you logging from Google Chrome?
Yeah.
Huh? No.
Yeah.
Are you logging from which machine?
So I'm on like a laptop.
What laptop?
Lenovo.
Lenovo and all is good. You will find the annotate.
Okay.
You can annotate.
Give me 1 second.
Guys, learn to annotate, guys.
Yeah, I have my answer.
Yeah, go ahead and tell.
Is it 11.8?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, okay, I think you all are better with law of sines and cosines. Did you get it?
Miss Priya, I don't know why I did wrong. I got 5.8.
5.8. Okay, then you don't know now. I'll have to solve. Definitely. Okay, wait. From lighthouses P, Q. Okay, this is the lighthouse that are 16 meters apart, 16 kilometer apart. Okay, I'll draw this as P, this as Q. S is sighted. Okay, SPQ. S is the ship, disabled ship. SPQ makes 44, SQP makes 66. Which angle will be, which side will be longer? They are asking you to find the nearest lighthouse. Which, for the ship, which is the nearest lighthouse based on the angles? Who can tell me? I have taught some of you this when you were in lower grades. This is 44, this is 66. Which side is shorter? This PS or SQ?
SQ.
Yes. Why?
Because that's the opposite of
Very
the
nice.
smaller
Opposite
angle.
side, opposite angle is shorter, so smaller. So this is the shortest side. S can reach Q easily. So they have asked to find SQ. So what will you do? Sine 44 by that distance x will be equal to what? Oh, from this is angles in a triangle, right? 66 plus 44 is 1. What is that? 110. So this is 70, right? So sine 70 by 16. X will be equal to what? Sine 44 times 16 divided by sine 70, which is what, Johan? What did you get?
It was. Oh shoot! Wait, I lost it.
You lost it. Okay, I will say the answer. 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. That's the answer. For this one, guys, I'll give you clues. If you know law of sines, it's very easy. So first you use law of cosines. SSS is given, right? So you use law of cosines and you would be able to find out this angle. So that's the same as this angle, right? This is 6, and you know this angle is the same as this angle. You will be able to find angle A. So that is the same as angle B because it's an isosceles triangle. Now for the small triangle here, right? The small triangle, you have a side, angle, angle, right? So wait, I want to show you something. One another important thing here is this is a straight line. So this is 180 minus 68. So for that small angle, this is 180 minus 68. This one is the same as angle A. There are two angles and a side. You see, two angles and a side is given. You have to find the other side. That's all. So for the big triangle, when you apply law of cosines and find out the angle A, angle B is the same thing as angle A. So for the small triangle, now you know this angle, two angles you know and a side you know. So you can find this angle as well using law of sines. Will you do it at home?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to give you homework only on law of sines and cosines. However, there are so many problems that you guys have not taken care of. Please finish the entire trigonometry unit, and I'm going to move on to 2D geometry along with probability next week. Please come prepared for the class. If you have any questions, stay. If you don't have any questions, we'll stop here. You have questions? Yeah. Have a nice week ahead, guys, for those of you who want to log off.
Miss Priya?
Yes, ma.
I have one question.
What is it on?
Okay, so like our past trigonometry homework, right? So you know when like some of the questions say round to the thousands? So like will they take points off if like we said x is equal to 16.24 instead of like 16.23?
Yes. Yes, it has to be exactly right.
So do you know how to like get it exactly right? Because like a few of my problems, they're like a little bit off. They're like 16.3 instead of 16.2.
It can't be that different when they are
Or
asking.
not like that. It's like 16.34 instead of 16.33.
Send it to me. Send one workout to me, clearly explaining in WhatsApp.
Okay.
The question as well as your answer, the real answer. Everything I need to have it in the message. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
You're not going to say this homework, this problem. No, you're going to show the problem, work out, and then send it as a chat message. You got
Okay,
it?
also in question number 22 in part 2, how did we get the answer as root 3? Like I just didn't understand the question in general.
Question number 22?
In part 2.
Root 2.
Root 3.
Root 3, yeah. So tan 60, right?
Yeah.
Right triangle, right?
Let me pull it up. Yeah.
Right triangle, right? Tan 60, yeah. 60. This is 90. This is 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? 1 root
Yeah.
3 to 2.
Oh, okay.
That's why opposite by adjacent is root 3 by 1.
Okay. Because I was like, I just didn't understand what the question was asking.
But did you understand what they are asking? What is tan 60? This is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So you already know the ratios root 3, 1 and 2.
3, 1, and 2. Okay, yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, ma. Bye-bye.
Also, Miss Priya, I didn't get to part 4 and 8, but I submitted part 1 too.
Yeah, but this is the week to ramp up. Finish all the 8 parts.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.